can't get out.
OMG.
He can't get out because he can't get out the door.
Oh, Jesus. They're going to bring the ladder truck over. Oh, my God.
Damn, I was going to get an apartment over there, too.
Not now.
They're cheaper now.
Yeah, pull that one.
Wow.
Pull this one up right here.
one right here?
Yeah, that one.
You can feel the heat.
There you go.
This guy is on the freaking ledge. Look at this. Oh, my God.
Where?
Do they see him?
Where is he?
Oh, my Jesus. Oh, my God.
Construction.
Yeah. He was inside there. Do they freaking see him?
Unbelievable.
Oh, my God.
Hurry up.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, my God.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh.
The glass melting.
They need to get him. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God. Hell, he can jump from there. I mean, good grief. They need to move that truck up. Oh, my God.